Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 17 July 2025, Nifty index opened on a flattish note, and after the initial slip to 25,120 zones, it recovered in the rest of the day and managed to cross 25,250 levels. The last hour witnessed some cool off, but it managed to close above 25,200. Overall, the index is placed at a critical juncture, requiring a decisive move above 25,250 for it to trigger momentum for the next leg of rally. It formed a doji sort of candle on the daily frame and has started making higher highs, higher lows from the last two sessions. India VIX was down by 2% to 11.2 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.92. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,800 to 25,600, while immediate range is in between 25,000 to 25,400. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,795 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,221 crores. FII's index long-short ratio slightly decreased to 18.2%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to continue to hold above 25,150 for the next up move towards 25,500, while support can be seen at 25,000. Bank Nifty needs to hold above 57,000 for a next up move towards 57,500, while on the downside, support can be seen at 57,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Tata Power, LIC Housing Finance, SBI, Canara Bank, Indian Bank, PNB and Nestle, while some weakness could continue in Nalco, Kolpal, Havells, Cipla and Tata Steel. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.